The call to save nature pushes us towards innovation and creativity. We adapt our lifestyle towards sustainability to mitigate adverse environmental impact. Natural solutions range from using renewable energy and reducing waste to reusing and recycling. We incorporate green spaces around us, reimagining our lifestyle. They involve creativity to reimagine and reconfigure our daily habits. The innovative transition aids us to blend with nature seamlessly. By integrating eco-friendly practices, we contribute to lessening carbon footprints, ensuring a more sustainable future for the coming generations.
Create amazing videos like this using RealCraft AI